English Norwegian past. I was.
Jeg var.
You were.
Du var.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Great to have you here. Let's make the past tense your new superpower. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language sidekick. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and bonuses. Today you'll nail the Norwegian past of to be, like.
Jeg var. Du var.
And the whole crew. Ready? Let's time travel, guilt-free and grammar-safe. Your goal today. You'll confidently use every form of the past tense for to be. I was.
Jeg var.
You were, singular.
Du var.
He was.
Han var.
She was.
Hun var.
It was.
Det var.
We were.
Vi var.
You were, plural.
Dere var.
They were.
De var.
Quick memory hooks. Make your brain smile, then it remembers. Fairy tale starter. Once upon a time, is.
Det var en gang.
If you hear that, you're in the past. Point your thumb over your shoulder and say.
Jeg var.
You just pointed to yesterday. Rhyme to lock it in.
Du var.
Past by far. Compare present versus past.
Det er.
It is.
Det var.
It was. Flip the switch to past. Mini dialogue. Listen in and catch the forms in action. A. Why weren't you at the cafe? B. Because.
Jeg var.
For tired, oops.
Jeg var.
Veldig trot. A. Yesterday.
Du var.
Full of energy. B. True, but my brother wasn't.
Han var.
Sovnig hele dagen. A. And your sister? B.
Hun var.
Pa job till sent. A. How was the weather? B.
Det var.
Kaldt. A. Did we at least finish the project? B. Yes.
Vi var.
Ferdig for middag. A. The team looked happy. B. Of course.
Dere var.
Fantastiski på motet, og.
De var.
Imponert. Drill and repeat. Say it out loud, your mouth needs the workout. Say, I was tired.
Jeg var trøtt.
Say, you, SG, were late.
Du var sen.
Say, he was ready.
Han var klar.
Say, she was happy.
Hun var glad.
Say, it was important.
Det var viktig.
Say, we were on time.
Vi var i rute.
Say, you, plural, were great.
Dere var flinke.
Say, they were at home.
De var hjemme.
Culture tip. A tiny cultural gem makes it stick. Norwegian fairy tales famously begin with.
Det var en gang.
Once upon a time. Next time you hear it, smile and whisper. Past tense alert. Also handy. Negative is easy.
Jeg var ikke.
I wasn't.
De var ikke.
They weren't. Quick quiz. Test time, fast and fun. Q1. Translate, we were, to Norwegian. A.
Vi var.
Q2. Translate, she was, to Norwegian. A.
Hun var.
Q3. What's, you were, plural. A.
Dere var.
Q4. How do you say, it was? A.
Det var.
Q5. Translate, they were late. A.
De var.
Scene. The challenge. Time to own it, make it personal. Create 3 true sentences about yesterday using different subjects. Examples. 1.
Jeg var.
Pa trening. 2.
Vi var.
Sultana Eterpa. 3.
De var.
Alarid Gem. Bonus. Turn 1 negative, like.
Hun var ikke.
Gem. Wrap up and thanks. You did it, past tense unlocked. Today you mastered.
Jeg var. Du var. Han var. Hun var. Det var. Vi var. Dere var. De var.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing out loud and revisit the drills anytime. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Find more tips, transcripts, and exercises at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.